Ashley here with HeartHookHome.com, and today we are learning how to crochet the gorgeous Alpine stitch. This stitch is a 4-row repeat. Every other row is going to be a single crochet row that's going to be on the back side, and then the front row we alternate double crochets with front post double crochets to give this great texture. It is important to note before we get started that some designers use front post treble crochet instead of double crochet, so make sure that you check your pattern that you are following before you get started. Let's learn how to crochet the Alpine stitch. In order to crochet the Alpine stitch, you want to start with an odd number of chains. Here I have 13 chains, and I'm going to create a foundation row that is made up of double crochet stitches. So I'm going to place a double crochet in the third chain from my hook, and I'm going to go into the back bar back here. And I'm just going to double crochet in each chain all the way to the end. You should have an odd number of double crochet stitches in your first row. And since that was a double crochet row, we're going to alternate that with a row of single crochets. So chain one and turn, and you're just going to single crochet in each stitch all the way to the end. And then we will be ready to start the first actual Alpine stitch row. To start the actual first Alpine row, you're going to chain two and turn. I'm going to do a double crochet in the first stitch here, and I'm going to front post double crochet around the double crochet from 2 rows below. So I'm going to yarn over, go around that entire post just like this, pick up that loop, and then complete the double crochet as normal. And now we're going to place a double crochet in the next stitch. And since we went around the post of that one below, it looks like we're leaving this one empty, but it's actually been used because we went down that around it below. So double crochet, front post double crochet around this one, right? You're always alternating the front post with the regular double crochet. Regular double crochet in this one. Front post around this one, regular double crochet in the next, front post, regular, front. And since we began this row with 1 double crochet, we're going to end it with 1 double crochet. So that is the first actual row of Alpine stitches. Isn't that beautiful already? Now we're going to alternate that with a single crochet row. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn and just single crochet all the way across this row. Now I'm ready to chain 2 and turn, and this is the alternating double crochet front post double crochet row that we will be repeating these 4 rows over and over and over. So in order to offset our double crochets and our front post double crochets, we're going to start this row with 2 double crochets in a row. So 2 regular double crochets in the first and then in the second. And now we're ready to do a front post double crochet around this guy right here. And we're going to do a regular double crochet in the next. So the regular double crochets always look like they're stacked right on top of that front post. So I'm going to go right into this one right here for that regular double crochet. So once you get this pattern established, you're always going to do your front post stitches around the regular double crochet, and you're always going to put your regular double crochet into the top of what was the front post double crochet. So you're always nestling them down inside of the row below it. And on this row, since we began this double crochet row with 2 double crochets in a row, we're going to end this one with 2 double crochets in a row. So we're going to do 1 and 2. There's the end of that row. Now we're going to alternate another single crochet row. So chain 1 and turn and single crochet all the way back, and then we'll do one more of the double crochet front post double crochet rows together. Chain 2 and turn, and now we're going to do that first double crochet row that we did down here. So we're going to be alternating that single, that single, that single, that single. So this is that first repeating row again. Since this one has 2, we're offsetting that by doing only 1 double crochet in the first stitch. And now we're going to do a front post around that guy right there. And we are alternating back and forth just like normal. Double crochet and a front post double crochet, double crochet, and a front post double crochet. And remember, since we began this row with 1 double crochet, we end this row with 1 double crochet. And that is all there is to the beautiful Alpine stitch. I absolutely love the texture of this stitch. I love how easy it is to establish that. And I also love how on the back side, it's so very flat to where you can make it into slippers or something so beautiful. So I hope you love learning the Alpine stitch with me today and that you will crochet with me again soon. Thanks for watching.